Oh my goodness. Do you guys see all the snow? Like, so much snow. It's like the most you could ever get in this state. And dogs are freaking barking now. My brother's actually going up. Look at all the snow just coming down to the floor. Whoa. Jeez. Most snow it's ever been in this state. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Zoom in on the snow. Oh, it's terrible quality. Whoa. Wait, let's see if you guys can see my brother. Oh my goodness, it's just like going down so quick. So just enjoy the view of the snow. It was like going pretty fast, but like it wasn't as big chunks as this. In this area, it's expecting to be at least 3 to 4 inches. It's like freezing up snow, frozen up snow. It's cold. This is really surprising though. Like, this is like the most snow there's ever been here. Jeez. Just look up there. See, you can see it following up. See if I can catch one. It's getting really cold. I can't even catch one. Gosh dang it. Gosh damn it. Okay, so I guess this is the end of the video. I gotta see you guys later. Peace out, mother trucks.